And I mentioned they don't really have products, but they have reports. And a lot of the major reports that you might see in PulseHawk are here. The segmentation or insights, depending on what you call it, funnels, retention, cohort analysis, and so on. Mixpanel has been around for a while, which means this is a very mature product. 15 years in the making. And I think the maturity does translate in a few different ways. One is just the small details. I find when you do analysis day to day and you're trying to build things, there's a lot of shortcuts that eventually get added that I think Mixpanel will have a little bit of an edge over PulseHawk. This might not be a huge deal breaker, of course, depending on level of sophistication, but it's just something to keep in mind. Now, Mixpanel has also kind of come up on a different philosophy, from basically like 2010 to 2020. The approach by many of these companies was to just be the best in class at what they do. So if you're going to do product analytics, be the best product analytics possible. In the last few years, definitely from about 2021 to today, 2024, when I record this video, there's a bigger push now to do everything. So of course, Mixpanel now has session replay. They have a CDP, like a customer data platform component. It's not as sophisticated as what segment.com might offer, but it's there, so like a light CDP. There's a core data pipeline to take data out and take data in. And we're seeing the same thing with Amplitude. This video is not about them, but generally the space is going in that direction. So the PulseHawk approach is becoming the approach for many companies, just to add more and more features to a single solution. And